Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp paste. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, a small amount of salt, and a food processor. The quality of your shrimp is key, so make sure they are very fresh. We'll then prepare the shrimp for processing, ensuring they are clean and ready for the next steps. Now let's move on to processing the shrimp. Add your cleaned shrimp and a tablespoon of salt to a food processor. Pulse until the mixture forms a smooth, thick paste. It should be very fine, almost like a puree. Be careful not to overprocess, as this can affect the final texture and flavor of your shrimp paste. The next crucial step is fermentation. Spread the shrimp paste thinly onto a baking sheet or a large tray. Cover it with a fine mesh to protect it from insects. Place it in direct sunlight for 3 to 5 days, bringing it indoors at night. This drying and fermentation process is what gives shrimp paste its distinctive, rich flavor. After fermentation, the paste will be dry and firm. Break it into smaller pieces and process it again in your food processor until it's smooth and uniform. This final step ensures a consistent texture. Store your homemade shrimp paste in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will last for several months. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.